Hi, welcome to this video. So in today's video, I'm making a natural relaxer that's supposed to help me with my undergrowth as I am transitioning my hair from texlax to natural. So this treatment is called Japanese keratin treatment at home, and this is what you need: 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of flaxseed, and some coconut oil and some almond oil. So to get into making this treatment, you just have to wash the rice, make sure that it's clean, and you have to make sure that the water is clear before you start to cook. So basically you can also use cornstarch, but in this video it's at home, so it was the easier option for me. I did not have cornstarch, and basically it says you just have to put the rice in a pot, add some 2 cups of water, and let it boil, and it was soft. And for the flax seed, of course, you just add some more 2 cups of water as well, and make sure that it boils until it forms into a gel. Then you separate the seeds and then go ahead to mix the two and blend them. So I started by blending the rice first after it was done, and this is the consistency of the rice. And then I did go ahead to separate the flaxseed from the seeds and just kneaded the gel. And so this is how the gel looks like. And so it was ready, and then I just go ahead and mix it with the blended rice, and this is the consistency of the treatment. It looks like a deep conditioner. And so I did go ahead to add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and you can use an oil of your choice. From this video that I watched, it was recommended coconut oil and then another oil of your choice. So this is me ready with the treatment, and you can see that my hair has a lot of undergrowth. This is 6 months post relaxer, and since I have been texlaxing my hair, so my hair actually grows, the undergrowth grows faster than when you process your hair like fully. I do not process my hair fully, and so this has been the longest when I did not touch my hair with the relaxer for this long period of time. And so it has been so difficult to deal with 2 textures of hair. At this point, I can tell you that I've not been able to pass a comb through my hair. It's extremely hard and painful that I have chosen not to do that. So I usually use my hands if I have to do anything with my hair. So I just start from the back and make sure that I apply to all of my hair. And because this is not a chemical treatment, it does not matter if you put it also to the ends of your hair, as it will not process your hair. So it's supposed to smoothen the roots and also just take care of, like the straightening of the roots. I'm not very sure that I'll get the straight hair from this, but hopefully I can already feel that I'll get some smoothness, because the texture of this on my hair feels really good, like really smooth already. So let's see how it goes. So at this point, my hair is completely done, and I finished all the product, and I love just how smooth it felt. It felt like adding a deep conditioner to my hair. I love the consistency of it, and I could feel the smoothness already on my hair. So I just went ahead to add a plastic onto my hair, and then I stayed with it for about an hour and came back. And right now my hair has been under this for like an hour, and you can see that my hair is quite smooth. The roots are already quite smooth. And so what I'm going to do is just wash it out, and then I'll come back to see just how my hair will look like and how it will feel like. Okay, so I'm back already, and this is when I washed my hair and I drained out the excess water, and look at that. The smoothness is definitely there. I could feel that the roots or the undergrowth was at this point quite soft, like my comb could pass through. So that was just it for me. I was like, yes, this is done. I got the results that I wanted. I loved it. My hair was so smooth and so soft. So what I'll do is just let my hair air dry, then I'll come back to show you the full results. So this is my hair completely dry, and can you see that I have like one texture from the roots to the end, and that was really great for me. I do still have a lot of texture in my hair, which I love, which is the reason why I'm transitioning, but I love the results of this, especially because I can comb my hair, so that feels really amazing, and I'm so happy with this. I'll definitely be doing this treatment as needed, and I'll keep you updated. I hope you do try it too if you need to. I think this would also be perfect for like natural hair, if you just want to get like softer, or just to like get rid of frizz the hair and smoothen the hair. So I would definitely recommend this treatment for that as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.